Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to resolve a common issue where Google Calendar fails to sync. Whether you are managing work shifts, school schedules, or personal errands, having an updated calendar is essential. Let's look at how to troubleshoot this problem so your schedule remains accurate on every device. First, make sure you are signed into your Google account. Go to calendar.google.com to access your dashboard. When prompted, enter your login credentials accurately and click Next. Verifying your account connection is the best place to begin your troubleshooting process. Once the dashboard opens, look at the left side of the screen for the My Calendars section. You may need to scroll down to find it. This area contains a list of every calendar you have created or joined. If the list isn't visible, click the My Calendars header to expand the menu and reveal all available choices. Next, locate the specific calendar that is having issues. Every calendar has a checkbox next to its name. Find the one that isn't updating and click the box to enable it. If the box was already checked, try unchecking it and then checking it again. Toggling this setting often forces the system to refresh and start the synchronization process immediately. That completes our guide on fixing Google Calendar sync problems. Usually, these steps will resolve the issue quickly. If the problem persists, you might need to check your main account settings or contact Google support for further help. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay organized, and I will see you in the next video.